How to enable internet speed meter in iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the internet speed meter on your iPhone. So let's get started with it. In order to do that, you need to open up your App Store. Once you're in the App Store, in the search bar, you need to type traffic speedometer. Now you need to go ahead and install Traffic Monitor with Widget app on your iPhone. Once you've installed the app, you need to open the app and then you need to accept all the terms and conditions. Now you need to go back and then you need to go to your widget section. Once you have done that, you need to tap on Edit. Then you need to tap on Customize and you need to add Traffic Monitor Speed to your widgets. Once you have done that, you need to tap on Done. And that's it. You now can see the traffic monitor speed on your widget section, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.